right, big news coming in. Eknath Shinde still not feeling too well, and amid the health that appears to be not well for Eknath Shinde, he has been rushed to a hospital. We are told that there is a medical test for which he is en route right now, and this is in Maharashtra itself. And this, remember, has happened over the weekend as well after his visit to Delhi. Mustafa Sheikh is joining me for the latest. Mustafa, what did you hear? What happened now? His voice did sound slightly low when he was addressing that press conference. What are you picking up about the health? Because we're expecting a Mahayuti meeting today.
Well, Pooja, as we were discussing, and it seems so that since last 3-4 days, there was Eknath Shinde was under the weather. He had some fever, and it was said that it's viral fever. Since last 2 days, we are hearing that Eknath Shinde is on IV drips, and hence he was not meeting many people. One of two BJP ministers or leaders he met yesterday at his house in Thane. So first he was in his native for 2 days. Since then, he is in Thane at his personal residence. Today, we were picking up that some meeting can take place and some power sharing agreement can be reached. But the information we are getting is that Eknath Shinde has been taken to Jupiter Hospital in Thane for an examination. And this examination is being done at the hospital because his health is not improving. So the doctors will decide what is to be done next. But the information as of now, what we're getting is that Eknath Shinde has been taken to a hospital which is nearby his personal residence in Thane, Jupiter Hospital, where a full examination will take place. And after that, the doctors will decide the future course of action. But this also suggests that for a few more days, Eknath Shinde will be out of action. What exactly is his health update? We'll have to wait and see for the official word from doctors. But an important announcement coming amidst entire preparation of oath-taking ceremony that Eknath Shinde is still not feeling too well. He's still not anytime soon coming to Mumbai, and hence it's unlikely that he's participating in any in-person meetings of Mahayuti leaders on power sharing. And what is his update on health is something we'll have to wait. Once the doctor examines him, we'll have a better idea. Back to you.
All right, Mustafa, keep tracking the latest, because if he's not feeling well at all, that means today as well, no Mahayuti meeting and possibly no announcement as well. Mustafa, stay on with me, because 3 p.m. we were expecting after the weekend, when the Mahayuti meeting was expected to happen, that Eknath Shinde is not feeling well. He's en route to hospital for a medical test. So we'll try and get, which means will the meeting either be held virtually, will it be postponed? Because that image of united and smiling hasn't seen a repeat, at least not before the oath ceremony. Remember, if his health is not permitting him to even be a part of meeting, 2 days later is the oath ceremony. Will he be able to be a part of the oath ceremony, the swearing in for the new chief minister, which most likely he is not going to be? What happened there in the meeting with Home Minister Amit Shah? All right, so we have big news coming in now. As I was talking about the 5th December oath ceremony, one chief minister, 2 deputy chief ministers only will be taking the oath. It's not going to be the full cabinet. It's not going to be other ministers. It's going to be the leader who will become the chief minister, and with the other Mahayuti leaders, who deputy chief ministers, which means Devendra Fadnavis, Eknath Shinde, Ajit Pawar will be expected to take oath. Later, the number of cabinets for 3 parties and portfolios can be finalized. BJP aims to get most of the ministerial berths because of the numbers it has in the alliance that it has won in Mahayuti. Sena has asked for 16, likely will get about 12. Ajit Pawar's NCP aiming not too much, about 9 to 10 maximum. But amid all of this, Eknath Shinde has gone to a hospital in Thane, so this is not even in Mumbai. Now, there are some medical tests which can take about an hour or so. If the Mahayuti meeting was being planned in Mumbai, can Eknath Shinde by 3 p.m. reach Mumbai from Thane after the test, and if his health really allows him to? The BJP, meanwhile, will be aiming, as the political calculations are on, that it wants to retain the big ministerial posts, which means Home, Revenue, Speaker, Chairperson of the Legislative Council. So what will Eknath Shinde Sena get? All of this, remember, is in the background taking place, these discussions, these calculations, because Shinde Sena, according to our sources, has asked for Chairperson at least of the Legislative Council. They already have the Deputy Chairperson position. Could that now go to NCP as a Deputy Speaker if Speaker goes to the BJP? So there are, of course, specific demands, requests, and appeals that have gone from each alliance partner. Remember that from about 16th of December, the winter session will have to start for the assembly, the Maharashtra Assembly in Nagpur. So all of that will have to be taken in consideration. So post swearing in, what happens if 5th December, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra comes in? What happens after that? Post swearing in, 3-day session will be held in Mumbai. That will be for the speaker election that happens, a vote of confidence and a governor address. So that's a protocol, but for that, 5th is the decided date for the swearing in. But eventually, who is the Chief Minister of Maharashtra? And if it is Devendra Fadnavis, why the delay in the announcement? Is Eknath Shinde too unwell to even attend the swearing-in ceremony for which he'll be the Deputy Chief Minister? Or is this perhaps a certain symbolism being sent out about his views and perspectives with regard to what the new posts are going to be? So Eknath Shinde, remember, if is not going to be a part of the Mahayuti meeting today, will he delegate someone else, a senior leader of the Sena, who can talk to Ajit Pawar, Devendra Fadnavis and other Mahayuti leaders to be able to iron out differences? Or Eknath Shinde trusts nobody else right now and wants to be a part directly of these discussions? So that's the big news coming in. Not the whole cabinet, but 3 individuals will be taking oath on the 5th of December. Chief Minister, 2 Deputy Chief Ministers, which means Eknath Shinde, Ajit Pawar, Devendra Fadnavis will likely be taking oath. Later, the number of cabinets for 3 parties and portfolios will be finalized as well. BJP aims to get the maximum, about 21 to 22. Sena aiming for 16. And Ajit Pawar aiming for at least 9 to 10 of the ministries. Looks like that's the visual of Eknath Shinde. We'll try and get in a word. Remember, he's in Thane right now, getting some medical tests done, not saying a word. And then has to be in Mumbai for the Mahayuti meeting. If his health does not permit, does that mean that it will be a virtual meeting or no meeting at all?
तब्येत कशी आहे सर? तब्येत अरे तुम्हाला लागेल बघा, हे लागेल सर. तब्येत